We back with a sit down video. Y'all feel so far away from me right now. I feel like I'm talking across the room, but this is the only way we can make it work. So we gonna thug it out today as best as we can. But what's poppin', my YouTube family? Alex here, back again with another mukbang. Switching it up today. We got a new mukbang video today. Thank you as usual for tuning into today's video. If you do like the content, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, join the family. And yeah, y'all, I got a little Chipotle. I got Chick-Fil-A. I got a Chick-Fil-A mukbang for y'all today, so let me show y'all what I got first. I ain't getting nothing crazy. I literally just got some nuggets and I got some fries. But I wanted to do a quick sit down video with y'all because I haven't talked to y'all in a minute and done just a quick talking video or Q&A video or whatever the case may be. So I just wanted to kick it with y'all for a minute. I just got back on Instagram this week and I had asked y'all to send me some questions, some Q&A questions, an honest Q&A, and I would answer them on video. So I got about 5 questions, well, good questions, or at least somewhere in there. There was a little more than that, but I tried to pick like the best ones, the ones that wasn't people trolling or just being stupid and just genuine questions. So, oh, and just to show y'all what I got first, I got some waffle fries. Can't never go wrong. I either do waffle fries or I do mac and cheese. And then I just got a 12 count of nuggets. I wasn't even supposed to eat this, but I really wanted to just get y'all a video, so I was like, let me just go to Chick-Fil-A real quick. I suck at talking and eating, so we'll see how good I do, but let's get into it. So, the first question I got was from someone who asked, how do I enjoy living in Georgia? First of all, I want to say shout out to you, bro, because if you're watching this, you be commenting and like really be active with my stuff and just showing support. And we've obviously never met in person, but I want to say shout out to you. I do appreciate your support, bro. In regards to how I like living in Georgia, it's straight. It's kind of hard to explain because it's like my Atlanta life has been kind of split into two. But overall, I'm happy for the experience for sure. I got to live here for 2 years and experience like a whole new life outside of California. So I definitely enjoyed my Georgia experience. Would I want to live in Georgia like forever? No, which is part of why I'm leaving. But it was cool. I'm glad I got to spend the last year of my 20s doing it. Another question I got was, this one was funny. Are you single? Wouldn't you like to know? Yeah, I'm single. I'm not really in a rush for a relationship. Like, if it happens, cool, but I really be just chilling. I kind of, especially recently, just been kicking it by myself and just kind of rocking solo. But if I do get a girlfriend or if something does come up, that's cool too. I'm definitely open to that. Another question I got was, are you still on semen retention? Yes, I am still on semen retention. I'm about to hit 6 months on retention like next week. So I'm definitely still on retention. I'm not necessarily like, I'm just on retention just to be, not to just be on retention, but it's like I don't even really notice it anymore. It's kind of just something I do. It's just a lifestyle at this point. I enjoy just helping guys. I'm starting to do like consultations and just like Zoom meetings with people who kind of want some help with their retention or no-fap journey, or even just self-improvement in general, just to help with their discipline. And you know, I'm always here to help. So if you do need help, definitely just let me know in the comments and I'll give you my email and we could just set up a little quick 15, 20-minute meeting for free. I won't charge you anything. So just hit my line if you need some help. And the last question I got that I really liked was, someone asked just, how are you doing mentally? And that was a real good question. So shout out to you for that question. I really do appreciate that. Mentally, I'm cool. I feel like that's the biggest thing I could say is like, I'm okay. I'm not really bad. Like, I'm in a good place. I'm not in the best place, but I'm not in the worst place either. I'm definitely just focused on taking things just one day at a time. And even on my bad days, I try to just understand, you know, tomorrow's a new day and it'll be better. So my mental health is definitely a lot better than it's been in the past. I'll say that. And I definitely have like a long ways to go, but it's straight. So thank you for that question. I really want to just say thank y'all for just rocking with me on the journey. You guys helped me more than you know, and I hope I'm helping you guys in some type of way. I know this was kind of just a quick video, but I just wanted to sit down and just answer those questions with y'all real quick. So I appreciate y'all's support. Thank you so much for watching as usual. It's Alex. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.